The little red hen went to her friends and asked, "Who will help me bake some bread?" "Not I," said the rat. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the dog. "Not I," said the pig. "Not I," said the rabbit. "Not I," said the cow. "Not I," said the duck. "Not I," said the sheep. "Not I," said the goat. "Not I," said the horse. "Not I," said the donkey. "I will bake the bread myself," said the little red hen.
Is this okay? This angle is okay?
She did. The bread was baked and ready to eat. The little red hen went to her friends and asked, "Who will help me eat this bread?" "I will," said the rat. "I will," said the cat. "I will," said the dog. "I will," said the pig. "I will," said the rabbit. "I will," said the cow. "I will," said the duck. "I will," said the sheep. "I will," said the goat. "I will," said the horse. "I will," said the donkey.
Hee-haw!
"No, you will not. I will eat the bread myself with my little chicks," said the little red hen. And she did.
Good job.